guys, welcome back to our channel. Our family is staying at Disney's Fort Wilderness Cabins. We're going to give you a room tour, show you the pool, all the fun things to do here. So let's do this. All right, you guys. So we are going to enter into the cabin and take a little tour. So when you first walk in, you're right in the kitchen area. We're going to come back and show that more in depth. Over here, we have the sitting area, I'll call it, because it's combined with the kitchen. This pulls down into a bed, which is pretty cool because you can have a lot of people in here. All right, so coming in to this main room, we have bunk beds right here when you first come in. Those are next to the main bed. We have a window right here. Storage, space. Oh, the ceilings are really high up. That's so nice. It feels so spacious. It's hard to convey, but because the ceilings are so high, we have some nice Chippendale and camping themed stuff. Even the bunk beds have like paddles on the side. Oh, wow, okay. These bunks are so nice. Oh, look, it has like a little lantern in here. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, my girls are gonna love that. We have a big TV right here, more storage and space. Now we're gonna walk out into this area with the couch, TV, huge table. Oh my goodness. Okay, and heading into this hallway, we have the sink, mirror. Then this is the bathroom area. We have sink, mirror, cleaning supplies, hair dryer. Oh, that's nice. Look, they have this so kids can step on this stool when brushing their teeth and stuff. That's great. Toilet. Nice big shower. Wow. And all of the body wash, shampoo, conditioner. I have to say, this feels so big in this bathroom. Lots and lots of space. And it just feels so nice and brand new. And the theming is so fun. And here is the kitchen area. We have sink, nice window right there. We're putting some groceries away, but this is a fully stocked kitchen. Look at this cute little bow. And big refrigerator, freezer, stove, oven, anything you could need for cooking. Oh, even the cups are cute. Look at those mason jar mugs. And here is the couch bed folded down. That came down so easy. We have this super cute art of Mickey camping. That's adorable. Great. Okay, let's test it out. All right, so we are in the golf cart right now, heading from our cabin. Kellen did the research on all things golf cart and rentals, so he's going to explain a little bit about the golf carts.
Yeah, so basically you make your reservation ahead of time. You can cancel with a full refund like 5 days ahead of time, so if you're not sure where you're staying, you can just put in a reservation and then cancel later. Golf carts, they do have a limited supply, so you do want to make a reservation. They're $70 a day, which is kind of pricey, but honestly it was a lot of fun, and it's a unique experience to the cabins. As you can see, like golf carts everywhere, hardly anybody drives cars. You can get a golf cart, like a third-party golf cart, delivered, but they're about $55 a day, and you have to get like extra insurance with those ones, so it really comes out about the same. The only benefit to those is they might go a little bit faster. These are capped out at like golf course speeds, and so you have to pull over for cars, buses. You have to stop as if they were school buses. But it's been a lot of fun, and it's been super easy to get around. We don't have to worry about the internal bus system, which we stayed at these cabins back in 2017, back when golf carts weren't really a thing. And the problem is that you had to work with the internal bus system, which you wait up to like 20 minutes to get to another bus where you need to wait another 20 minutes. So if you needed to get to like Animal Kingdom or something, that could be an hour from the time you leave your cabin door to the time you get to the front entrance.
Yeah, and it charges electronically. You just plug it into the side of the cabin, and they have parking by the buses, by the lobby area, the pools. It's been a lot of fun. So this is the Meadow Trading Post. We're gonna go on in. So this is right by where we're about to go for the Chippendale Campfire sing-along. I love this gift shop. You can get food in there, souvenirs. So you walk out here. It's so charming. There's like this little lake right here. Right outside of Meadow's Trading Post is where they do shows out here. They have movie nights. That's what they're getting set up for right now, which is really fun. And look, they do s'mores, so it is free, and roast a marshmallow. And then you can go over to this camper area and buy some other snacks or s'mores kits. But how fun is that? You can come over here, roast your marshmallow. Sometimes Chip and Dale come out for a little sing-along. You really get that camping feeling, being in the great outdoors. So fun. Oh yeah, see? Chip and Dale's Campfire sing-along. We are headed to the pool right now. Not the cabin pool. So we're gonna take a little golf cart ride, head to the Meadow pool. Okay, so we have cabins on this side. RVs are on this side. RVs are $55. Cabins, $3.50. Parking for Meadow swimming pool. So we stayed here once before, and we did not do a golf cart.
I'm not sure golf carts were a thing, because I was looking at my old pictures, and there was like no golf cart parking anywhere.
Oh yeah, and we did an internal bus system just for this resort. So you take a bus just to get to
either the outpost, which is where you go to like the 3 parks, like Epcot, Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom, Disney Springs, or the settlement, which is by the beach, and the water taxi to Magic Kingdom.
People decorate their carts. They get really into it. So right now, pulling up, you can see someone has done Halloween golf cart. They'll put lights on them. It's a whole thing. You can see, oh my gosh, there's a few. There's a birthday decorated one. It reminds me of on Disney cruises when people decorate their door and do like their own custom door. And we're seeing a lot of people do floaties on top, which is funny and cute. That's kind of fun. And guess what? We came to our golf cart yesterday, and someone had left this in. Okay, so walking in, here's this cute little splash pad area. We've got a slide. We've got all sorts of fun things to do over here. And then this is the main walk-in area for Meadow swimming pool. This is fun. There's a lot of seating. So we can see a hot tub over here. Let's go take a look at this. Okay. No one in it, that's crazy. And then nice big pool and this fun slide to go down. Here we go. Okay, so there is the slide. It's good. And right now the pool is actually warm, even though it's like raining right now. It's a nice pool. So we are going into the wilderness pool. This is close to the cabins. Gonna walk around and give you guys a little tour. So this one actually isn't within walking distance of our cabin, but we have this nice big pool here. We have foosball table, pool noodles out to play with, bathroom area. There's also tables to eat here, so we actually just had dinner here. Showers right there, spa, hot tub area, and yeah, just a nice place to come and go swimming, especially after a day at the parks. Oh, campfire, sing along. We're gonna walk over here.
Can you all clap right here? This is it.
Into the road.
Jim and Ella being escorted tonight by the Hobbs family all the way from Dade City, Florida. It's Jim and Dave. They're just a couple of crazy rascals out there. Jim and Dave start cooking.
We got some marshmallows going too.
It's well done. Books all say they are the cutest too. To the right foot now, get ready. Right foot in, right foot out.
Put your right foot in and
Shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey and turn yourself around.
that's what it's all about. Yeah. They are roasting marshmallows now.
Around the perimeter of the theater. And
Kellen made me a s'more and it was yum. This is so fun. And now after the campfire sing-along, they are going to play a movie out here. Isn't that so fun? So there's all these families out here. You can see the decorated golf carts going by. This is really, really fun. All right, we're in our golf cart. We are going to head to go watch fireworks right now. So let's go watch these fireworks.
Thank you.
Right there, that's good.
Perfect. That is so adorable. They have an attendant to help people park their carts for the fireworks. All right, you guys. So we're back right by the trading post area. Oh, people have decorated their carts. Now we're gonna walk over to the beach. Okay, so everyone drives their carts over and parks to go watch the fireworks. I'm like just giddy on how fun having your own little cabin with the golf cart is. It's really fun. Okay, you can't really see, but there are beach chairs out here. And some people even brought their own camping chairs to watch on the sand. Aww. That is so fun, and they pipe the music in. So you can watch it right here on the beach.
There's a frog on here.
Oh my gosh, this is too perfect. The fireworks just ended, and now they're gonna do the, what is this called?
The Electrical Water Pageant.
Now the Electrical Water Pageant is gonna start. Cute. This is so fun, and then the kids can play in the sand too while they watch all this. Thanks for joining us on our adventure at Disney's Fort Wilderness. We'll see you guys on another video very soon. Bye guys.